Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to come to you right now to bring you the breaking news that happened overnight. Yesterday evening, one of Donald Trump's top 8 advisors, or his senior advisor, was tested positive for the pandemic virus. And so now we've just received word and a tweet from President Donald Trump, and he has stated that him and his wife Melania Trump have also been tested positive for the virus as well. So I wanted to bring that breaking news to you guys and let you know there hasn't been any updates other than we've had reports that they are both feeling fine right now, no real symptoms whatsoever. So that is some great news to hear about the President of the United States. Now, we don't know what's going to happen here in the near future, but we do already have seen that the stock market has taken a dive and has dropped almost a little bit over 500 points. So we will see how this goes throughout the day, but that is the current news right now, that President Donald Trump and his wife Melania Trump and his senior advisor Hope Hicks has been tested positive for the pandemic virus. So I hope you guys have an exciting Friday, and I hope I didn't bring too much bad news to you, but I hope the rest of your day is better than this particular news that we have heard today. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys stopping and watching today. Have a good one. Peace.